student at Beijing Film Academy. And I just wonder if you could speak a little bit to the experience of being the first, if you encountered curiosity or if there were prejudice, or what the experience of being the first Tibetan was like.
我觉得在就是学校的过程中，我觉得没有那种现象的发生，反而我觉得就是受到了很多老师的照顾。比如说我的第一个短篇草原，就是在很多老师的帮助之下，然后才有了这样一个创作的机会。
So when I was in the film academy, I didn't really experience any type of discriminations and any negative experience. In fact, they were actually very, very supportive of me. A lot of my professors and people who were mentoring me, they actually helped me a lot with this, my first film, which is Grassland, and they did a lot for me.
然后到现在我能走上电影之路，然后能够拍摄这样几部电影，我觉得跟我就是到电影学院学习有很大的关系。
Even until now, the fact that I can still make movies in China and I can actually show films here, for example, here at MoMA, I think that they have contributed to that particular growth for me as a filmmaker.
如果当时没有这样一个机会，像我这样一个背景，然后像我这样一个从藏区来的一个就是喜欢电影的人，基本上没有可能去做一部真正意义上的电影。
Without this opportunity to study in the film academy, I don't think that it will be even possible for me to make any meaningful films, considering my backgrounds and even though I have been a movie lover, but at the same time, it's that I didn't have the resources to make this happen.
One last question.
Hey, thank you for bringing this, making this terrific film. Actually, I'm coming from China as well, and my question is about this Tibetan mastiff. I was told, when I was in China, I was told that this kind of dog is very fierce, and I also was told that this dog can only recognize one owner. So I was wondering why in this film you didn't show like how these dogs can be very fierce, but instead it's just like go by, like led by others by only like these chain things.
Would you like to interpret yourself?
Okay.
他说这个影片里面一般来说这跟刻板印象就是人的其他犬都是非常凶猛，就只跟一个主人。我说这部片是特意呢让它有这样子凶猛的这样一个描述，而是看起来非常温驯，然后非常被动被带的。
因为它是一只老狗。
Well, because it's a very, very old dog.
因为就是这个电影它的故事就是这样的，是一只狗。其实我们在这个找这个狗的时候也找了很长时间。我们是把这只狗当做这个电影的一个主要的演员来找，然后来对待它。
So definitely this is part of the story, and we actually spent a lot of time to find the right dog. It's a major casting choice for us to make the perfect dog to play this particular role as an old dog.
然后我们找到这只狗的时候，它的主人就对我们说：“如果在几年前的话，你们不可能接近这只狗。”
So and when we found this particular owner, he actually said that if this were to be, let's say, 2-3 years ago, this dog probably won't be so obedient, and he will be just like what you said, tend to be a very, very fierce dog. But he's old.